guys, I'm Mackenzie from the Lean Squad, and today we are running through a quick 8-minute ab burner. I'm here in Barbados. We're gonna get straight into it on the beach. You can literally do this one anywhere. So get excited. We're gonna burn some fat and build the abs, all right? First exercise we're going into is a toe touch and out. Working the core. We're gonna start on our left hand. Again, everything is working our core. That is the emphasis today. And we're going 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You follow me, get excited. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So I'm out, touching the same toe each time. This one's really good because it works your obliques, strengthens your shoulder, little rock forward. Keep the core tight. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now, if on that one you struggle with touching your toe, simply touch your knee and then build into it. 2, 1. We're going single leg knee sit here. I'm touching the opposite one. Again, you can see these first two exercises. We're going across the body. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to the right hand, doing the same exercise that we did at first. 2, 1. So we're back and out. And out. Try and keep that butt down when you get to the front. And you can see all these little muscle fibers will be working that shoulder. 2, 1. Wow. Okay. Now we're going side plank with a hip raise. It's super sandy. My phone's hopefully it's gonna make it out alive here. So we're just down and up, down and up. So big emphasis. Oh, losing my footing on the obliques here. Really push it up. You should feel it here. 2, 1. We're going other side now. So on these hip raises, really push your hip up. We're covered in sand. Here we go. Keep everything square. 10 seconds. We even got a run club back there. Woo! Getting lean. 2, 1. Oh, you can see they're out there getting their exercise done on vacation. Honestly, I enjoy every single day that much more. Now we're going into a V crunch. So you're down and up. And like I said, if anything's too tough, simply default to a normal sit-up or just a crunch. 2, 1, wow. Woo. All right, this one is really gonna spice it up here. We're going double knee tuck. 2, 1, so I'm throwing my feet back, butt down. Both feet are in line with my hands. Nice and quick. 2, 1. Woo. Wow. All right, last one for this set is around the world. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go 2 one way, 2 the other way. And it's just a little circle. 2 one way, 2 the other, because we're going around Planet Lean, doing our part. You can see 2, 1. Wow. Oh man, that is 4 minutes done and dusted so far. Oh, there we go. We're nearly there. Come on. Back on the left hand and down. Keep driving that left arm. Now I feel my obliques. 2, 1. Wow. Oh man. done so already, it's not too late. Write them down. You're 50% more likely to achieve your goal when you write it down. Maybe it's just getting healthier, rest, fitter, or leaner, and then in that goal, write down exactly how you're going to do that. So, what do we got next? Oh, side plank with the hip raise. Yeah, sorry, and you write down your goal, and then you write little sub-goals on how exactly you're gonna achieve that. And maybe that's, just keep pushing up, doing 5 extra minutes of exercise a day, cooking at home more frequently, 2, 1, avoiding fast food, whatever it is, you can make little goals, 2, 1, and we're down and up. Other side, and that's how I like to do my goal setting, and I find it really helps, and it's always good for reference throughout the year. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. All right. Wow, see how my heart rate's up even just on these abs. 2, 1. Out and in. Really extend everything out. Meet in the middle. Oh, there we go. Whew. Double knee tuck. Come on. Taking the heart rate up one last time. We've got a minute left. This is it. Back it up. Out and in. I love this one. It really works your whole body while elevating that heart rate. 2, 1. Oh wow. And it's the last exercise of the day. 3, 2, 1. Whew. 1, 2. Other way. You can see this is just a little movement. It's tough, but you really contract in your core. Last one, 2, 8 minutes, done and dusted. Oh wow. Let me just catch my breath here. Work the core, and that is what it's all about. Getting outside, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the lean views. It's 2019 squad, so get really excited, set some goals, and let's smash it. Please, also, comment below, let me know how you enjoyed the workout, let me know that you got it done, and let's get lean in 2019.